Hi everyone, I am Rees.
And I am Riya.
This is the third video in using this 3D printing pen, right? So in this video, we are going to show you how to create a butterfly shape or butterfly 3D printed using the 3D printing pen. Okay, to start with, we have a drawing of a butterfly and we're basically going to trace it. Now, if you see, the wings of the butterfly is going to be separate object which needs to be projected up. So we will draw the body first and then we will draw the butterfly's wings later and then attach them together. Shall we start? Okay, so to start with, we are going to power up the 3D printing pen. Okay, so once we power it up, it shows the red color. And it also shows that it is having PLA selected. So our printing filament is going to be PLA. So we will start by pressing this in a feed in button. So you will see that the temperature goes up now. So it's heating up. Okay, so now it shows green color. So that means the heating head is ready. And now let's insert the filament, okay? And I will also need to press this button again. Okay, so now it takes up the input and the plastic is moving in. And you can also see already that the heated filament is coming out. Okay, so let me keep this over here. Okay, so yep, let's keep working on it, and I'm keeping the speed to be as slow as possible so that we can have more control over the print. So here we go. Let's start with the head of the butterfly. So I'm starting with the circular shape, and we need to basically fill this in to make like a spherical shape, half of the sphere. That's fine. And then from there I want to continue on building the body of the butterfly. I can draw a couple of layers on top of it. Alright, so that's fine, I guess. Now just to have a little bit of texture, we can just add one more layer on top of that. Maybe a horizontal layer like this, like a zigzag line. Anyway, that's fine, I guess. Okay, so that's just the body. We're done with the body of the butterfly. Now for the wings, I want to basically add different layers. Now at this point of time, I can just add the antennae, which is just going to be a single stroke. Okay, and we can add one more. So let me just adjust the paper like so. There it is. Done. Now we can just take out this excess shapes. All right. So now let me just take this out, and then we can create the wings. Okay, so that's the body of the butterfly. Okay, now let's build the rest of the butterflies. Alright, so now I think we can finish with this color and we will swap with other colors. So just to take out the filament that is inside, we need to press this button and that will just bring it out. Alright, so that's it. And now that's it in the blue color. And let's just create, I think I'll add the yellow color. Okay, so now let me change the color again. Alright, so now we're going to just merge these things together, okay? So this is more similar to how you use a glue gun to attach to pieces of cardboard, right? So much similar to that, and we get a butterfly. There you go.
So that's our 3D printed butterfly.
Okay, so now that I have created one butterfly, now Riya is going to try to do the same thing. Let's see how she gets it done. Yes, now it is green, she can start drawing. Okay, so that's the one side of the butterfly's wing. Okay, and that's the second one. Okay, so now we need to attach the butterfly's body with the wings. Okay, I will hold it for you so that you can attach them. Okay. So today I built this butterfly.
And I built this butterfly.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and write your comments in the comment section below so that I will know what kind of feedbacks you people have for these videos. And if you want to watch more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you will know when I post a new video. So until we see again, take care. Bye bye.